Hello everyone. Today we are going to talking about Amazon A+ content. So if you are a beginner and don't know what is it, what should you consider before preparing it and how to publish it properly so that you can get the most out of it, then this video is for you. We will talk all about this step by step shortly. My name is Sazzad, your host for today's video. So let's get started. Amazon A+ content is an advanced addition to your Amazon product description. In any Amazon product listing, you can see a section called description. But for some listing, the description is not only limited to written text. Sometimes there are graphics to represent the product description in a more advanced way. This is called A+ content or enhanced brand content. In short, EBC. Only the brand registered sellers and vendors on Amazon Marketplace can utilize this feature to go beyond the standard product listing. It provides an opportunity to engage customers, highlight product features, and increase conversion rates. A+ content offers you more freedom and flexibility to showcase your product's unique benefits and facilities. It includes various visual elements such as high-quality images, videos, comparison charts, infographics, and lifestyle photos. By using these elements, you can create a more immersive and informative shopping experience for customers, helping them make informed purchasing decisions. Now, let's explore the different elements that make up Amazon A+ content. The first one is the modules. You can see there are some big pictures. Each of these are called a module. There are different types of modules that we are going to show you later on. In general, each module starts with a concise and attention-grabbing title that summarizes the content or highlights the main benefit of the product. For example, this one. You can see here is a title that nicely describes what is this module about. There are also high-resolution images that showcase your product from various angles, highlighting its features and details. You need to make sure they meet Amazon's image guidelines. Then there comes enhanced product description. Here you need to provide a comprehensive and exciting description that goes beyond the standard listing details. You can give crawlable text that helps to index more keywords. The next one is key product features. To create a bullet-pointed list of products' key features and specifications, you can use this element. This helps customers quickly understand what your product offers and what sets it apart. If applicable, you can also include a comparison chart or table that compares your product with your other products from your store. This helps to increase the sales of your other products. You can use images that depict your product being used in real-life scenarios, showcasing its applications and benefits. These are called lifestyle images, which help customers visualize how your product fits into their own lives. The next one is videos. Incorporate short videos that demonstrate your product in action, showcase its feature, or provide additional information. Videos can be highly effective in engaging customers and increasing conversions. But normally you can add a video to only premium A+ content, which has some requirements. You can check our detailed video on it, link in the description. Also, there are some additional modules. Depending on the A+ content template chosen, you may have access to additional modules such as customer reviews, FAQs, warranty information, usage tips, or customer testimonials. Choose the modules that best suit your product's needs. So when you go to creating A+ content, you should keep these modules in mind. Then, based on your product's unique demand, you should choose the specific one that are required. Now that we understand the elements of Amazon A+ content, let's go through a step-by-step guide to creating it. A short clarification, here we will not talk about Photoshop facts, like how to design each modules. We may talk about the designing process in a separate video, but here we will talk about the step-by-step process of how you should upload A+ content following the best practices. Sign into your Seller Central account and select Advertising, then A+ Content Manager from the sidebar. Press the Start Creating A+ Content button. Choose the basic option if you want to create A+ content that includes additional text and images. While basic A+ content doesn't offer as many advanced features, it allows you to convey more information about your product and present your brand in a visually appealing way. There are two more options, Premium A+ content and Brand Story. You can check out our videos on this to know about them. Links in the description. Here, give a name and select your preferred language. Now, select the A+ content modules you want to include. Remember, you can add up to 5 modules from the available 17. Choose the modules that best showcase your product's unique features and benefits. Each of these 17 modules has a different way of representing the product. After you select the module, then you will be asked to add the image. Remember to add the images that fulfill the requirement. After you select the image, you can see the alt text option here. Don't forget to add the alt text to your A+ content. It's very important and creates a huge difference. Check the I button for detailed video on alt text. You can also add some tags here. Tags are the words or short phrases that you can use to categorize your media assets and find them when you are creating content in the future. Once you have completed and added the 5 modules, you can click on preview to check how it looks. And if all is okay, apply assigns to add the A+ content to the specific assign. Submit your A+ content for review. The approval process may take some hours to a few days. Make sure to correct any errors before submitting it for approval. That's it. Congratulations, you have successfully created the Amazon A+ content for your listing. By leveraging the power of A+ content, you have enhanced your brand's visibility and provided customers with a more informative and enjoyable shopping experience. Remember, A+ content allows you to stand out from the competition, attract positive attention to your brand, and increase your online sales. Don't hesitate to incorporate A+ content into your product listing page and take advantage of its additional features. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and leave any feedback or questions in the comment below. You can also mail us at info@ecomclips.com for any queries. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.